Mastering Time Prepositions. Unraveling the mystery of in. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to delve into a very special part of English grammar, prepositions of time. More specifically, we'll focus on one simple preposition that is often used when referring to longer periods of time. In. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how and when to use in your conversations and writings. Let's kick things off by understanding what we mean by the preposition in. In the context of time, in is used to show when something happens during a certain period. These periods can be months, years, seasons, or parts of the day. For instance, we say, I was born in July. A month. We moved to New York in 2022. A year. Birds migrate in spring. A season. I like to read in the morning. A part of the day. Remember, in helps us link the action to the time period during which it occurs. Now, let's delve into some rules for using in. 1. In, with parts of the day. We usually use in, with the parts of the day like, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. However, we use at, for, night, like, at night. 2. In, with months, years, and seasons. In, is used to indicate a specific month, year, or season during which an event occurred. For example, she started her job in January. Or, he graduated in 2023. Or, the leaves change color in autumn. 3. In, with centuries and decades. When talking about a particular century or decade, we use in. Like, she was born in the 90s. Or, electricity became common in the 19th century. 4. In the future sense. In can also be used to express something that will happen after a certain period from now. For instance, I'll finish the report in 2 hours. Means 2 hours from now, the report will be completed. And there you have it. We've unraveled the mystery of using the preposition in for longer periods of time. Remember, prepositions are all about practice. The more you use them, the more naturally they'll come to you. So, don't forget to practice what you've learned today in your everyday conversations and writings. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.